Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina where we show you easy makeup tutorials and celeb decodes.
Moisturize your face and neck with a hydrating cream. Now prep your face with a tinted primer. Dot your face with a medium coverage foundation and blend it well. Conceal the under eye area and sides of your mouth with a brightening concealer. Set the base with a compact powder. Now start contouring. Draw a number 8 shape starting from your forehead, down your cheeks and to the jawline. Also, line the sides of your nose bridge. Blend well with a contour brush and use a flat brush for the nose. Highlight the areas under the eye, above eyebrows and below the apple of your cheeks. Use powder highlighter on the high points of your face. Now add blush to your cheeks. Fill and shape your brows with a natural brown shade. Apply mascara to make your eyes look big and open. And complete the look with a lipstick. You're all done. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions, please put in the comment section below. Till then, stay tuned, stay unstoppable, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.